Hey friend, welcome to Gentle English, a quiet place to help you listen, relax, and slowly understand real English. If fast conversations feel hard to follow, you're not alone. Here, we take it step by step. No pressure, no rush. Just clear, simple English you can actually feel. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment. Let's get started. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt stuck? Like you're listening to English, but you're not improving? You watch videos. You try to follow, but it still feels too fast, too hard. You wonder, is anything I'm doing even working? If that's you, take a breath. You're not doing it wrong. You're just missing a routine. A simple, gentle routine. One that trains your ears. A little each day. Not for hours. Just 5 minutes. That's all you need to begin. Let me show you how. Part 1, the Gentle English Listening Routine. This routine is simple. You can do it anytime. At home. On the bus. During a break. You only need one short video clip. 30 seconds or 1 minute. That's it. And each step builds on the last. Ready? Let's go step by step. Step 1. Listen without subtitles. Choose a short clip in English. It could be a vlog, a podcast, a movie scene, even one of our Gentle English videos. Now press play. No subtitles. Just listen. Let the sounds wash over you. Don't try to understand everything. Just relax. Notice the rhythm, the tone, the feeling. Ask yourself, what do I feel? What's the mood? Even if you only catch one word, that's okay. Step 2, listen again with subtitles. Now, watch the same clip again. This time, turn on the subtitles. Read and listen at the same time. You'll begin to connect the words with the sounds. You might think, oh, so that's what they said. That's a beautiful moment. Don't rush. Let it sink in. Step 3, pause and repeat. Now pause after one sentence. Repeat it out loud. Copy the rhythm. Copy the melody. Copy the emotion. Like this. Slow. I don't know what happened. Natural. To know what happened. Repeat. I don't know what happened. To know what happened. Try it again. Softly. Gently. This is not just practice. It's ear training. Step 4, choose one hard sentence. Now rewind. Pick one sentence that felt hard. Play it again. Just that one sentence. Try to hear every word. Then pause. Repeat. Say it again and again until it feels familiar. You don't need to get it perfect. You just need to stay curious. Step 5. Visualize it. Now close your eyes. Play the sentence again in your mind. Imagine it like a movie scene. See the people, the place, the moment. This helps the English move from your ears into your memory. Now repeat it again, softly. That's it. Step 6. Celebrate the win. You just did something powerful. You practiced gently, with focus, with feeling. That's real learning. Not loud, not rushed, but deep. Smile, because your ears are growing. Part 2. Let's practice together. Let's try the whole routine now. Here's your short clip. I was gonna tell you, but I forgot. Step 1. Listen. I was gonna tell you, but I forgot. Step 2. Subtitles. I was going to tell you, but I forgot. I was gonna tell you, but I forgot. Step 3. Repeat. Say it with me slowly. I was going to tell you, but I forgot. Now faster. I was gonna tell you, but I forgot. Step 4. Focus. Let's choose the phrase gonna tell you. Say it 3 times. Gonna tell you. Gonna tell you. Gonna tell you. Step 5. Visualize. Close your eyes. Picture someone about to say something, then forgetting. Step 6. Celebrate. Say, I'm learning to hear real English. Say, I'm proud of myself. And breathe. Part 3. 1-minute practice you can use every day. Let me give you 1 more minute of practice. You can return to this anytime. Here we go. Slow version. She said she was gonna be late. So I grabbed a coffee and waited. Again. She said she was gonna be late. So I grabbed a coffee and waited. Natural speed. She said she was gonna be late, so I grabbed a coffee and waited. Repeat it with me now, piece by piece. Part 1. She said she was gonna be late. Part 2. So I grabbed a coffee. Part 3. And waited. Now the whole thing. She said she was gonna be late. So I grabbed a coffee and waited. 1 more time, soft and natural. She said she was gonna be late. So I grabbed a coffee and waited. Part 4. Final encouragement. Let's review your 5-minute routine. 1. Listen without subtitles. 2. Listen again with subtitles. 3. Pause and repeat. 4. Focus on 1 sentence. 5. Visualize it. 6. Celebrate. That's it. Just 5 minutes. If you do this every day, your ears will grow, your confidence will grow, and your English will feel more natural. You don't need to study more. You just need to listen. With heart. Repeat after me. I trust the process. I can learn English gently. My ears are getting stronger. One step at a time. You're doing better than you think. Thanks for spending this quiet time with me. Remember, every small step you take makes a difference. Keep listening. Keep going. You're doing better than you think. If you found this helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, or come back anytime for more gentle English. Until next time, take care of your ears and take care of yourself.